Hey guys, Chris here at the Old Cranky Workshop. I know it's been a while since I've had a video out. I'm working on it. I promise something will be out very soon. Anyways, got home from work today to find a little delivery sitting on the front porch. A little package from Tommy G on the West Coast. Can't wait to open it up and see the tools I ordered. Been looking forward to this. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Let's see what we got in here. Nice detail. These came out awesome. Can't wait to turn around any second now and try them on the machine itself. These are fantastic looking. 4 pieces for a nice price. Highly recommend you guys stop by Tommy G's Workshop, his website, and place an order. Tommy does fantastic work. And it even came with a sticker. I mean, the sticker is worth it alone, right guys? Well, there you go guys. Quick demonstration of my brand new lathe tools from the Tommy G Workshop. Highly recommend you check out his page, his website. Maybe order yourself up a nice little gift. I believe it was $270, somewhere in there, and 4 pieces, handmade. You can't beat that. I mean, look at the craftsmanship. Let me get that in view. Look at the craftsmanship on these, huh? That is just beautiful work. So I'm very thrilled. I got actual sharp turning tools right now. Looking forward to get some work done. Anyways, that's it for now. We'll see you guys soon. Sorry it's so dark, but it is what it is. Anyways, we'll see you soon. Remember, take care of yourself.